Hey, I just wanted to do a quick update to the video I just did on the Wraith character. There was one setting I forgot to mention, and that was on the bolt. So if I come in here to the bolt, we do need to search for collision and make sure it's set to no collision. Whatever object that you're shooting at the wall, you can experiment with different settings. Like right now, if I put it on this particular wall, I'm just going to reset this. You can just leave it on default. I believe that's what it's normally set on. But we have whatever you're going to be shooting at needs to be set on generate overlap events. And watch this. If I come in here and I go play, there's the wall right there. Now I notice you have to wait for a second to have him bring his gun up, and then once his gun up, you have target ability. But see, I start shooting here. I want to show you something here. Now, if I turn up the lights a little bit and go, let me escape. I'll do that again. Let me do that again. Hit play. He comes in, that's his initial pose. That's his montage there. And now if I turn around here and I shoot at this wall, give him a second to bring his gun up, and now he starts shooting at this wall. I just want to show you. And I don't know why this is, but if we come and look at the wall, you'll see, sometimes you'll see the bolts and sometimes you won't. But you see there's the bolt in the wall that he shot out. And there's one up there. And I don't know why it is like that. Then that's on the default collision preset. Now what's interesting is if I come back in the collision preset and I go overlap all dynamic, and I hit play, and now I shoot at this wall, I still get the effect and everything. But look, if I come over here, you can see you can see the bolts. You can see all the bolts are in the wall. You see them? It's interesting, right? So the bolts are there. They're being spawned out and shot out. But you see them all stuck in the wall there. So it just depends. There's different collision presets you can use. So it looks like overlap all dynamics gives you a better result if you're wanting to see the bolts actually stuck in the wall. So you can experiment with the different collision presets. And so the main thing is on the bolt itself, set it to no collision. And then on the things you want to get shot, if you want to see more of the bolts, you can put overlap all dynamics. And you still won't see all of them, but you'll see more of them than you'll see if you have it on the default or block all. But the bolts are there. You see them? You see the bolts? That's all I had. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time.